What are feedback rebates and why are they better than discounts? If you're offering a discount, like this 10% off for example, you can switch to a feedback rebate and get a lot more reviews. Your rebate may look something like this. Buy now and get 10% cash back for your honest review after purchase. Customer pays the full price and gets a special rebate link from Vertium. After they get the product, they click that link, leave a review, and receive their partial refund. They get that money whether it's a 1-star or 5-star review. And they won't leave a better review just because they got something on sale, which means you get unbiased reviews people can actually trust. Your website visitors can click on any of the customer names and see that these are real people with their own verified profiles and review history. No one can leave a review without buying the product first, so there is simply no way to fake these reviews. This way, you're not only getting a lot more reviews than everyone else, you're also showing real proof that your reviews are authentic and trustworthy. It's not just a piece of text on your page. Each review you get is also a high-quality backlink. This means your product is more likely to show up in search results when people search for it online. This will make your SEO very happy. Now, how much will it cost you? A rebate will always cost you less than a discount because not everyone will leave a review to redeem it. So when you switch from a discount to a rebate, you'll keep more of your profits. The money you save will more than cover the app's transaction fees, so you can safely switch to feedback rebates and use this app for as long as you want without any additional cost to you. There are no trials, no paid features, no subscriptions. The app is free to install and it only takes a few minutes to set it up. If you're still not sure, why not offer a small rebate on a few products and see how it goes? It's your rebate and you decide how and when you want to offer it. So give it a try.